What's up everyone, I am Teddy Delaney. I am the Esports Program Administrator and Head Coach here at Lackawanna College. Lackawanna College has made a huge investment in our esports program in order to give our student athletes an amazing space to compete, to practice, and to hang out. We are super thrilled and excited to be able to show off what we have upstairs.
What's up, Coach?
Oh, what's up fellas? Oh, it's time for practice. The esports facility has become like a second home for our esports student athletes. Every student within the program has access to our facility Monday through Saturday from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Within the facility are 25 high-end Alienware gaming PCs for our players to utilize not only for gaming, but for studying and classwork as well. Each player has their own personalized schedule with certain hour requirements for both gaming and, more importantly, study halls, because being a great student athlete starts with being a great student. More great features of the facility are the two 80-inch LED TVs that we have mounted on either side of the room. These are used to broadcast streams and music during the facility's downtime. More importantly, they are used to study game footage for each of our games. We can replay all of our matches and break down each play to see where we need to improve. We can also study our opponent's gameplay to prepare ourselves for future matchups. The facility also has some incredible streaming capabilities. We have 7 bird dog switches and an overhead camera that allow us to stream from 8 different points of view. These switches are at our 6 main competition PCs, which allow us to hop around from 6 different in-game perspectives to catch all the action, and our overhead camera allows us to capture the celebrations after big plays. This is all controlled and directly streamed to Twitch live from the Panasonic Switch controller at the comfort of my own battle station. Lackawanna College has made a major investment in this program and its student athletes, and we are all very excited to see how it improves and progresses in the years to come.